I'd like to bring in some of all of you into this discussion before we shift to talking more about what this future regulatory framework could look like. So let me ask, are there any initial questions? Yes, and please speak up loudly. Yes, Dean.
Question for Ray. Thanks for jumping in. All your angry stakeholders and drivers and all to know about it.
Yeah.
You have the added layer of complexity with hours of service.
Yes.
And will hours of service simply not apply for level 5? Can a driver rest while a robot is moving, like a team driver? Can we relax the number of hours driving? What are some of the options that you're starting to think about for hours of service?
Right, and that's correct, and that's an issue that we know is on the horizon there. And frankly, but let's say in the context of it being a fully automated vehicle, right? Is that a driver? No. Right. So, and then, but it's still, because we deal with both the vehicle and the driver today, I don't see that we're certainly going to continue to deal with the vehicle. It almost becomes more important to somehow make sure that vehicle has been properly checked recently to make sure all the systems are good. So I do see that coming, but you see, if you're familiar with the issue with ELDs, how even that maturation, that implementing that, something that has been in wide use for some time, but when it becomes a mandate, I suppose, is what really, there's significant, I wouldn't, some pushback, but certainly a lot of getting used to. And that's what we're going to see here. Yes.
And procedurally, how would the FMCSA address the hours of service requirements? Would that be a new rulemaking? Would that be an interpretation?
My guess is that would require some rulemaking, because it really is a fundamental sea change of, when are you working, when are you not on duty? Yes.